Hello, in this video I want to show you how to factory reset Lenovo E2. To do this, first you'll need to click on your robot inside the app, then click on the pen button in the top right corner of the screen, scroll all the way down and you should see the red remove device, click on it once and then disconnect and wipe data. You can also go with normal disconnect if you like. I'm gonna wipe the entire data as well. After that we need to confirm it, and here our robot returned to factory settings, and there's only one thing we can do actually, just to press the home button and the stop button at the same time, and this should reset all of the network settings, and the factory reset is finished. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.